Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload videos on YouTube. So if you want to upload your first YouTube video, here I'm going to walk you through the entire process on how you can upload it from the moment you hit the upload button to making sure it's seen by the world. Now let's just get started. In here, I've already opened my YouTube studio. Sorry, you need to go to the YouTube application. So open the YouTube application, and to upload you can just hit on the plus button in here. Then choose whether you want to upload short or video. Here I'm going to use the video option. Now choose the videos that you want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this videos right here. Now click on the next at the bottom left corner. Then you can just here modify the details of your videos. You can create the title. So for the title, you need to have an engaging or clickbaiting title so that viewers will curious about your content. And here add description, so tell the audience what the video is about. You can add description in here and also add some hashtag. After that, you can go back again and here set the visibility, whether you want to make it public directly and set as a premiere, or you can also schedule it for later. You can set the time in here. You can just click on OK if you want to schedule it, and it will be seen as scheduled. You can also select the audience, whether it made for kids or not. I'm going to go with no. And if you have playlist, you can also add the video into the playlist. And after that, here you can just click on upload. If you had paid promote or brands, you can also add in here or add a collaborator. So once you click upload, your video will be uploaded to your channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye.